Comparison sucks. Actually, by the end of this video, you'll have at least something to take it with you. So watch the video till end. I've been taking classes for competitive examinations, and this morning one of my students, she spoke to me. It literally broke my heart. I wanted that to share it with you, so that I made this video. Actually, here it goes. She called me and she told me that she had been graduated 3 years before, and she had been working in an IT company for 6 to 7 months, I think so. So after that, she realized that this was not my cup of tea, and then she started to switch over her career. And then she started preparing for competitive examinations. Last year, she couldn't make it up, but she told me that this year somehow I'll clear. I have that confidence because my marks are very close to the cutoff marks. So by this year, I'll for sure clear. But what is an issue is that her younger sister, she graduated from her college last year, and she has been working for past 1 year. So what her parents are doing is that she told me, I know ma'am, my parents are telling for my well-being, but they are not telling that in a polite way. They are just constantly comparing me with my sister. They are always telling that look at her, she's 2 years younger than you, but she is very responsible. She is much more responsible than you. We have told you n number of times not to quit the IT job, but you had quit. You told that you'll clear the exams last year, but you haven't cleared yet. They're constantly comparing me with my sister. Whenever she gives money to home, whenever hand overs her salary to home, they are pointing out at me. You should do this. You are elder. You are 2 years elder than her, but you are not doing this. Then she told me a lot of issues that is going around her. Actually, it really broke my heart. Comparison in any form is toxic. It might be from your spouse, it might be comparisons, might be from your friends. Just try to ignore the comparisons. It is really hard. It is really hard to ignore the comparisons, and we will try to prove them. So we, in our mind, what we will create is that we will create a pressure, and we should be in higher position than who are comparing me. So we should prove that to them. I should prove myself to this auntie. I should prove myself to this uncle. We'll be thinking that in mind, we will pressurize ourselves. That will never get us to success. It will create a depression. Right? So say for example, consider this comparison is all over the world. Even we are also comparing one with another in any form. For example, take any actor. We are comparing one actor with another one. If somebody is commenting like this actor is fantastic, then below that comment there are n number of comments. No, he is better than him. He's not better than him. Likewise, there are comparisons, but those people try to ignore these. They will never mind of these comparisons. Thousands and thousands people are gathered. They are bullying him. They are abusing him. When a dog passed by, they are calling the dog with his name. How embarrassing it might be, how insulting it might be, but he never spoken a word. He's never spoken a word, and he never opened up in a social media platform. Rather, he tried to prove himself. 2 months after, he is now considered as a superstar of the nation. Should never try to prove anyone else. Rather we should try to prove ourselves. It is hard, really it is hard, but if we used up to that kind of situation, we will get a peace of mind. The peace of mind will give us clarity to work. Actually, if a person is judgmental, he or she is going to be judgmental at any cost. For example, you are thinking in your mind, if I go to this position, if I get salary, I can shut these people. It is never going to happen. If you tell them, look at me, now I'm earning a lot, now I'm in this position, now I'm better than you. If you are telling this to someone whom you are trying to prove, what they'll tell? They'll tell it is just by luck, or it's just a good time, it will never last. These kind of toxic comments will come from them. They will never accept our success. So never ever try to prove yourself to anybody, because that will create pressure. And never compare you with anybody, and never compare anybody else with anybody else, because it will hurt a lot. I love to end this video by mentioning these quotes. Comparison is a thief of happiness, and never ever compare your beginning with someone else's middle. If you love these kind of videos, do mention in the comment box below. I'll bring these kind of videos once in a while. Thank you.